Hello friends, welcome to the magical world of nature. Here you can see different kinds of butterflies sucking nectar. I think this butterfly is playing hide and seek. I like this zebra butterfly so much. These butterflies are looking very happy. I think they are friends. Friends, look at the jungle blabbers blabbering like us. Friends, here comes my favorite woodpecker pecking for insects. Friends, look at the drongo whistling like a policeman. Look at the hungry bat. Today it came so early. They came to drink nectar from the banana flowers. Look at my monsoon friend. It is a land crab. Look at the ant colony. Ants are trying to hide their eggs. Friends, this is not a rice grain. It is a pupa. Have you ever seen a hammerhead worm? This is the one. Its head is like a hammer. Look at the wasp making her nest for laying eggs. She is a very hard worker. She is sucking water and making clay balls. Making a nest is not so easy. See how much effort she is putting? We should all learn from these tiny creatures. She is making her nest using her mouth, antenna, and legs. think our ancestors might have learned pottery making from these tiny creatures. The nest is ready. Now she is going to lay egg. It's amazing. Wow, look at that. See the tiny egg inside the nest. She is filling her nest with caterpillars. These caterpillars are food for her offspring. She fills 2 to 3 caterpillars and closes the nest. She had made 8 nests. This is the 9th day she came to check the quality of her nest. Her nest is very strong. We cannot break it with our hands. She had used different materials to make it strong. I am eagerly waiting to see the newborns. I am so lucky to see this baby turtle. I accidentally found this in a seashore. These are endangered species, so we should protect them. By mistake, it may eat plastic, so we should not throw garbage near beaches. Hermit crabs are not real crabs. It has soft body without shells. So they search for the empty shells and lives inside it. He is hiding inside a huge rock. See, this hermit crab has got a sea snail shell. I hope you all had a great time with nature's friends. So let us save nature and its friends.